Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and PC so pairing works reliably. Make sure the BlackShark V2 Pro has at least half charge and power it on. This prevents connection dropouts during firmware steps. Once done, install and open Razer Synapse 3, then sign into your Razer account so settings sync. Plug the wireless USB dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port. That gives stable bandwidth. Now, watch Synapse detect the headset. You're ready to pair and configure device. You'll now pair and update the headset so features unlock. In Synapse, go to Devices and select BlackShark V2 Pro. If it doesn't appear, toggle headset power or press the pairing button. When Synapse prompts a firmware update, accept it and do not unplug the dongle or power off the headset. That prevents bricking. After updating, select the headset as both default playback and communications device in Windows sound settings, so game, chat, and mic routes correctly to the headset. Finish by tailoring audio and verifying functionality so you're ready to play. In Synapse, adjust EQ, mic gain, and enable Dolby or virtual surround if available. Save those settings as named profiles. Test voice chat and local recording to confirm mic levels and make one profile for gaming versus streaming. If the headset fails to connect, replug the USB dongle, restart Synapse, and reboot the PC. Only try a front USB port as a last resort because rear ports are more reliable for wireless throughput.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.